Let's just say that this video is going to probably be straight to the point and simple, okay? Because I don't have so much that I am breaking down, and you guys will see how I'm breaking down my paycheck. So, welcome to Life with Sabrina. I am Sabrina. Thank you so much for tuning in. And this is my bi weekly paycheck budget breakdown. Oh, before I even start this video, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you for getting me to 5K. I was excited when I saw 5K. Like, you guys, every time I see a new supporter, like, it makes me keep going because, you know, I know 95% of my supporters is obviously you guys come back to watch my videos. Maybe not each and every one of them, but when you guys do, you guys actually support, and I really, really do appreciate it. So thank you so much for getting me to 5K. Now we're working on 10K. We're moving on. We're moving up. You're here for the breakdown, and let's get right to this breakdown. $850 is what I got paid. So I do split my bills in half. For anybody that's new here, I do split my bills in half. It works out better that way. I'm able to have money to be able to spare to groceries or household or anything else that I need to purchase. So rent is going to get $345. Cell phone is going to get $100. MTA is going to get 50. MTA has been working out for me. So $50 has been working. I think I'm going to keep it that way, but I'm actually going to buy the Omni card so I can load that $50 on to that card, because tapping, I don't know. You guys are going to hear a story probably in another video or so on why I have to switch up, or I'm going to switch up a few things for 2026. So lifetime is $4.99. Prime is $7.61. And travel, I'm going to do $50 because I am traveling to my family member, and it roughly costs around $43 to take the train. So that is going to cover that. So my total of expenses for the next 2 weeks is $557.60. Okay. But I'm going to interrupt right here because I want to do a giveaway. And congrats to Gina for winning the planner. Congrats, congrats. But let's do another giveaway, you guys. I'm excited to be sharing this or giving this away because I'm not going to lie, I'm excited for my own basic savings challenge book. Okay. I've been doing shorts, which I haven't done any shorts lately because I've been trying to prep for January so I can have everything that I want to use, everything that I want to budget with, make sure I have my markers, my pens, everything that I want to do to make my year go good. So I'm going to interrupt. So this is my most basic savings challenge book. You guys, I'm giving one away. So this is mine. These are the two colors that I am using. So just so you know, I did switch up on gray, but it will be every other 2 pages. I will be doing that until I finish the 5K. And I'm really, really hoping, I'm not in a rush to get to that 5K, but we're going to get there. We're going to get there. So this is the book that you will be receiving. I should have did it probably through Amazon, but I wasn't thinking, okay, but you guys will be getting this, so make sure you have a legit address, okay? The rules are you must be 18 years and older. You must live in the U.S. Please like this video. Please like this video. For every person that's entering in for this book, please just like the video. You're watching it this far anyway, so why not just press that like button? And then you're going to comment hashtag basic savings. Okay, so when I'm looking in the comment picker, all I gotta do is put that in, and it automatically will help me pick a winner. So it's gonna end Friday the 26th, and I'm doing it. I should have did it with the planner, but again, I have a lot on my brain, so one thing at a time, and this is just how I'm doing it. So Friday it ends, which is the 26th, and then I'm gonna announce the winner on the 27th. So that will be Saturday, and you guys, I will be announcing the video. See, I can't. I my brain is just going. I'll be announcing the winner in my post the way I did the planner. So one of you guys, I will flip through it, but there's something in here that I have in here for you guys. So whoever wins, when you open up this first page, you will see. So I didn't want to open it because it was going to fall. Announcing the winner on the 27th. So this ends on the 26th, and I will be announcing the winners on the 27th. Good luck to everyone. Just so we go over the rules again, must be 18 years and older. You must live in the US. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment hashtag basic savings. It ends on the 26th, and I'm announcing the winner on the 27th. So good luck to everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video, but we're not done yet. Let's continue on with my budget. So I'm giving blessings $25. I'm giving groceries $200 because Christmas is here and I need to cook for Christmas. New Year's, I don't know if I'm cooking for New Year's. We might order. I'm not 100% sure, but we will be figuring that out. Or we actually might go out to eat. I don't know. The plans may change. And then household is going to get 27, and then buffer is going to get 40. So I was not left with my buffer from the last time. I did use it to take an Uber back and forth with my family member. So the total of, well, I'm going to say the total of everything that I just mentioned was $292.40. Those $40.40 is actually going to go into my buffer because I'm not going to lie, it actually helped me out when I had the buffer the last time. This time around, for when I travel, I don't have to take an Uber. Someone will come pick me up. So I'll be saving there. So those 40, I might be able to save them, or I might just treat them to eat for lunch. But yeah, that is my budget for $850. I hope that everyone is having a great Saturday and you're enjoying your weekend, and good luck to everyone. And thank you so much for 5K. Let's continue to work to 10K. I can't wait. I'm excited. Like, I can't even believe I'm at 5K. Okay. I want to continue sharing these videos because there's someone out there, just that one person that could see my videos and say, if she can make it on 850, I can make it on 550, 750, 775. You can do it. Trust me. Budgets are very important. And trust me, I'm going to be taking my budget a little bit more serious in 2026. Not that I wasn't taking it serious, but I think I need to be focused for 2026. So thank you so much for tuning in. And for you not to miss another video, make sure you have your bell notifications and subscribe, because I'm going to be working out a blueprint for me to be sending out videos and making videos and getting these low income videos out to you guys. So thank you so much. I appreciate you all, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.